हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। अगर आपको अपने लैपटॉप का या डेस्कटॉप का स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग करना है एंड आप ढूंढ रहे हो एक स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर, देन आई सजेस्ट यू टू डाउनलोड दिस OBS Studio, which is perfect for your computer to record screen. It is free of cost, and to download this you just need to go your Microsoft Store and then search this application here. Here you can see the first step is OBS Studio. You have to download this and then you can use it free of cost. This is the interface of this application. You can see here you need to start recording. Just click on here and then the recording will be started. Right now I'm recording the screen, that's why it's showing stop recording. This is the interface of this application. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.